Hi friends, welcome or welcome back. For today's video, I'm giving you not one, not two, but 10 makeup must-haves. So let's get right into it. Now, these are not in any order, but having a good quality foundation is a must. And this is why your base makeup can make or break your makeup. So, investing in a good foundation that feels good on your skin is important. Also, if you haven't already, go get foundation matched and ask for a sample. Those store lights are not the same as your lights at home, I promise you. Foundations that are higher quality tend to have better coverage and they spread really well on the face, so you don't need much. Most of them will claim a skin-like finish, which is how your foundation should look like. This one I'm applying is the Givenchy Prism Libre. It has a satin glow finish to it, and it has been one of my favorites I've been using. So invest in a high quality foundation because you're worth it, friends. Moving on to lips, I don't want to see any chapped lips in 2026. I recommend my clients to switch to a lip mask rather than a chapstick. A lip mask will actually penetrate into your lips and keep them smooth and supple. Instead of a chapstick, you have to reapply every hour. So keep those lips nice and smooth. Eye patches, do not ignore under eye care. They're not just aesthetic, but they actually work. If you have an event to go to and you need some depuffing and brightening under your eyes, keep some eye patches on hand, preferably in the fridge to speed up the process. I've been raving about the Rhodes Skin and Topicals eye patches. They do exactly what they say and they have a good grip to them. Concealer is more of a must-have than foundation, in my opinion. Do not underestimate the power of spot concealing where you need to. Merit complexion sticks are really good for that, and they blend in really nicely. However, most of us want that coverage under our eyes, which is going to be 1 to 2 shades lighter than your complexion for that brightening effect. Some people like to use their concealer as an eyeshadow primer. My eyelids are too oily for that, but that could be something that could work for you. I love makeup that's multi-use, which is why concealer is on my list of makeup must-haves. For this application, I'm using the Lancome Teint Idole Serum Concealer, and I will list the products I'm using on my face in the description below. Number 5, lipstick, but not just any lipstick. Everyone needs a signature nude lipstick. One you can apply without a mirror, just effortlessly because you know it looks good and it's your shade. For me, it's been this Viva Glam lipstick from MAC. It's the perfect peachy nude tone that works on my deep skin. It has a satin finish and it glides right on. If they discontinue this, it will put me in a chokehold. How gorgeous is that? If you like color, like rosy pink tones because you think nude makes you look washed out, try a flirty cool tone pink. It's gonna make you look more youthful. And going back to multi-use products, use it as a blush as well. Pinch your cheeks in after application for a natural, fresh look. Moving on. Setting powder will always be a must-have on my list. I think a good setting powder that's finely milled gives that airbrushed, blurred skin effect, but in real life. A compact one that's lightweight is even better. Especially if you travel a lot, a compact setting powder is the way to go because it's not going to potentially spill everywhere and it does the same thing as a loose setting powder does. If you have dry skin, a light dust is all you need. I get oily in my T-zone and I like to look like a walking filter, so powder is one of my best friends. But don't forget, setting powder will also ensure long-lasting makeup throughout the day, preventing any smudging or creasing like under the eyes or in the T-zone. Next up, eyeshadow. If you are a beginner to eye makeup or you're a busy person and you just need to get out the door, a one and done eyeshadow stick infused with primer, like this one from Tower 28, will save you time. It's easy and it looks good. So, include this in your makeup must haves as well. Eyes are the window to the soul, and everyone wants beautiful, sparkly eyes. If you have hooded eyes like me, apply this slightly higher than your natural eyelid. Gold shadow on the eyes is a fantastic shade to start with. It looks good on every skin tone. And when you feel ready to graduate onto colors, cut creases, smoky eyes, let me know in the comments and I will help you out, friend. I'm just glad 2026 is going back to makeup. Now let's make our eyes pop with some mascara. Sometimes all you need is good mascara to give you big, bold, beautiful eyelashes. If you have short, thick eyelashes, use a lengthening mascara. If you have long, thin eyelashes, use a thick volumizing mascara. Or use both. That's it, don't make it complicated. Also, I can assure you, drugstore mascara is the way to go. This one's a bonus because I love my friends, but try micellar water instead of aggressively rubbing your face with makeup wipes to remove your makeup. Now, where are we going to put all our goodies? Having a makeup bag is an essential must-have. If you don't have your dream vanity yet, that's okay. Store your everyday go-to products in a makeup bag for easy access. Just please don't let it get dirty with spilt makeup everywhere. I've seen it all. So no chapped lips and no dirty makeup bags. Making it on the list of my makeup must-haves, blush. Just like a signature lipstick, you need a signature blush. No matter what makeup look you're wearing, it works. I've been using this one from Juvia's Place, but this is a bronzer I use as a blush. I like to apply it on the temples of my forehead as well. If you want something different other than a berry or pink blush, try this. Well, what do you guys think? Time to set it all in. These are my top 10 makeup must-haves. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next week.